Modding Skyrim or Fallout and wondering what ESL files do. These are a special plugin type that bypasses the traditional mod limit. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how Elder Scrolls Lightmaster files work and how to manage them. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading ESL file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. ESL files are Lightmaster plugin files used by Bethesda's creation engine in games like the Elder Scrolls, 5 Skyrim Special Edition, and Fallout 4. They contain game modifications similar to ESP and ESM files, but use a light flag that allows them to bypass the 255 active plugin limit through compact form ID indexing. Elder Scrolls ESL files use the same binary plugin format as ESP and ESM files, with TS4 group and record structures, but include the ESL Lightmaster flag in the file header. Form IDs are compacted to a limited range, allowing up to 4096 ESL plugins to load without consuming standard load order slots. Your application default for ESL should ideally be the Elder Scrolls 5 Skyrim Special Edition from Bethesda Game Studios. Native Windows association often leads to errors due to the file's complexity and proprietary format. Windows offers minimal detail, so exploring these files requires knowledge of the game's engine. Your first step in the technical sequence, right-click the ESL file and choose Open With. Use the Elder Scrolls 5 Skyrim Special Edition as your first test case. If it fails, choose another program immediately. When an ESL file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. Because the ESL format is proprietary, simple misconfigurations are common. We need to verify these crucial technical details using our checklist. First, loading in-game. Place the ESL file in the data folder of your Skyrim Special Edition or Fallout 4 installation directory. Enable the plugin in your mod manager or the game launcher plugins list. ESL files load automatically as light plugins and do not count against the 255 plugin limit available for standard ESP and ESM files. Next, managing with mod organizers. Use Vortex Mod Organizer 2 or Loot to manage ESL plugin files alongside your other mods. These tools recognize the ESL light flag and display load order information correctly. Loot automatically sorts ESL files into optimal load order positions based on master dependency requirements and conflict resolution rules. Finally, editing with xEdit. Open ESL files in xEdit, SSEdit, or FO4Edit to inspect and modify their records. Load the ESL file as a plugin to view all form ID records and their values. When creating ESL files, ensure all form IDs fall within the compact range and flag the plugin as a Lightmaster in the file header. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.